Righto, so that's the light bar installation all done. I ended up putting the relay over here nice and close to the battery, and just tucked in the excess cabling here. I've got to get some corrugated wire conduit just to neaten up this installation here. That's the plastic plug there from the switch. You can see the cable disappearing into that grommet there, and that's my connection here to the trigger wire, which is that green one. So yeah, this green wire here is the high beam wire, and that's actually been soldered there. I didn't use one of those little quick connect things, as they tend to fail over time. And inside here, there's the little switch there, which little green and little red light will come on. The earth wire that came from this switch here, that is only really needed if you want those little lights to work. That switch will still work without that being connected, but I found a little earth just in here. Just make sure you scrape the paint off to get a good earth on that one. So that's it, all works good.